look at Newman. He's excited. Bye. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Yeah. We'll see you next week, okay?